for you any work, if you start any work, मुझे समझ नहीं आता सारे मतलब गाड़ी वाले और सब्जी वाले कबाड़ी वाले मेरे ही टाइम पे क्यों आते हैं। आने दो, इसको ही बोल देते दो। अबे यार स्टॉप करो। माय नेम इज मानसी। First of thing, sorry for that because I was unable to upload any single video regarding English, but today I make my mind and just start the recording. So today topic is that the confidence. You know what guys, confidence is very important to do any work. I'm not talking about the English, but any work if you want to do, so you should have a confidence. If you don't have a confidence, then please forget you are able to do these types of works, any works. Okay, so let's get start this topic, how to boost your confidence while speaking English. Today's video is going to be a very interesting for you because in this video I'm going to share you about the confidence. I'm not going to share the 1 2 3 4 5 step, but we can say that the topic is that. If we talk about the first step is that for the confidence, I am recording this video. Suppose that if I don't have a confidence, then I am able to record this video. No, I am unable to. So first I collect the confidence. First I amass the confidence to set up my all tripod and lots of things. Then I start to recording. So the recording is not a purpose to share our views. The recording is the part of the confidence. There's a lot of people who are unable to speak any single word in front of the camera. Okay, उनसे बोलना पड़ता है यार हंसो, ठीक है, फोटोज खिंच रही है आपकी. So then they start to smiling, you can say that. But someone has a confidence. When any camera off to her and him, he start smiling like that. Me. So if I am going to click my photos, nobody tells to me just Mansi, please cheese, please smile. I smile all the time. So that's the call confidence we have. Okay, this is the camera and I have to smile. That the things are totally depend to the English also. If you have a confidence, then you can say that you are able to speak English. Doesn't matter how much knowledge do you have. That means you know very well how to make the concept, how to make the structures, how to frame the sentences, and how to start conversation. But still you are unable to because the lacking of the confidence behind. So what do you have to do? First, you have to speak more and more. That the things you have to apply in your speaking journey. You just think, just forget it. I am speaking anything, that is a wrong, because that is the main point you are lacking your situations. जब भी हम स्पीकिंग करना स्टार्ट करते हैं, वी फॉरगेट. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि जो मैं बोल रही हूँ वो शायद रॉन्ग है, जो मैं कर रही हूँ वो शायद रॉन्ग है. सो इस तरीके से हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस लैक होना स्टार्ट हो जाता है. ठीक है, हमें लगता है कि यार ये जो हो रहा है वो गलत हो रहा है. सो आपको करना क्या है, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपको खुल के बोलना है. आप जस्ट इस चीज को इससे रिलेट करो. जब भी आप कोई नया गाना सीखते हो, सो आप पहली बार सुन के क्या उसको गाने लग जाते हो? नो, यू आर नॉट. सो वही चीज हमारी किसके साथ में होती है? स्पीकिंग के साथ में होती है कि आपने पहले सुना और आप सोचो कि बस आज ही मैं मास्टर बन जाऊं, आज ही मैं खुद को. यार प्लीज अवॉइड द म्यूजिक सॉन्ग बिकॉज बुराई नहीं करूंगी अपने पड़ोसियों की, बट दे आर इन द हैबिट ऑफ टू फॉरगेट इट. बहुत ही बाय द वे बहुत ही वैसा गाना बज रहा है जैसे कोई गम का डूबा हुआ आशिक हो, ठीक है, उसके लिए गाना बजाया जा रहा है. शायद आपको थोड़ा बहुत सुनाई दे रहा हो, बट डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है. अब देखो ये चीज़ भी कॉन्फिडेंस से रिलेट कर रही है. आई हैव अ कॉन्फिडेंस टू स्पीक एनीथिंग एल्स in front of the camera while singing a song in my behind, but doesn't matter. I have to finish my talk because today I set my mind, no, I have to record the session anyhow, by hook or by crook I have to record. So what do you have to do? The first step is that starting time, when you listen any song in the first time, so you are unable to sing the song properly, you just sing a first stanza, first line of the song, then you start a singing. That the same things you have to follow in English. अगर आपने कोई स्ट्रक्चर्स पढ़ रखा है तो जरूरी नहीं कि आप उसको पूरा ही अपने सेंटेंस में कवर आउट करने की कोशिश करो. लाइक दैट, अगर आपने कोई वोकैबुलरी आज लर्न करी है तो दैट नॉट मीन्स यू हैव टू मेक दिस सेंटेंस विद दिस वोकैब. नो, यू हैव टू यूज द सिंगल वर्ड्स इन योर नेटिव लैंग्वेज विथ योर नेटिव लैंग्वेज. We can start like that. So that the things you have to apply. So that is the first confidence. Okay, you are collecting. So आपको करना क्या है, आज आपने एक वर्ड याद किया, उस वर्ड को अपने वर्ड्स अपनी कॉन्वर्सेशन में फिट करना है. कॉन्वर्सेशन आपकी हिंदी हो सकती है, आपकी नेटिव लैंग्वेज हो सकती है. उस वर्ड को उसको बार बार बोलो, बार बार मुंह से निकालो. Once you start these things, once you start these habits, of course you are able to speak English. You forget all the things, the mistake you are making. Okay, that the things you have to focus in your speaking journey. The second part is that we talk about the overconfidence. There is a lot of people who don't have a single idea about the English, but they speak very well. Okay, they think like that there's a no need to grammar, there's a no need to vocabulary, I can speak English. You should have idea about the grammar is very important. Who's the learner are saying बचपन में हम हिंदी बोलने लग जाते हैं, अपनी नेटिव लैंग्वेज बोलने लग जाते हैं, तो हमें व्याकरण की जरूरत नहीं होती है. तो मेरे भाई, आपको उस समय भी व्याकरण की जरूरत होती है, बट आपका एटमॉस्फेयर वो जो रिलेट करता है ना चीज़ों को, वहाँ से हमें उस जरूरत को लगता है कि नहीं, ये जरूरत नहीं है हमारी. ओके, सो बट दैट नॉट द रियलिटी ऑफ द ऑल लैंग्वेज. अगर आप कोई नई लैंग्वेज ड्रॉप कर रहे हो ना, कोई नई लैंग्वेज अगर सीख रहे हो, सो प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. यू नीड टू ग्रामर. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट यू जस्ट नीड टू डीप ग्रामर, बट आई थिंक यू शुड हैव आइडिया अबाउट द स्मॉल ग्रामर, द बेसिक स्टेप ऑफ द ग्रामर. वंस यू कलेक्ट द बेसिक स्टेप ऑफ द ग्रामर, सो आई एम श्योर, आई अश्योर you, you are able to become a fluent speaker without any jerking part, without any jarring parts. Okay, so that are the things you have to do. Second step you have to follow, just speak all the things with this structures. You have to cover the all structures regarding the grammar. Okay, regarding the spoken concept. When you start the once time to spoken the concept, to regard to start these all are things with this the habit, so of course you are able to speak to English with the confidence. Okay, as I am making a lots of mistake in my sentence, and that is the reality of my life, and even this video I also made a lot of sentences is wrong, but I have a confidence to speak English. Sometimes that the things become a habit of mine, but I have to change this habit, because I know very well grammar always give you advice what is the wrong and what is the right. That's why I'm saying you have to learn the grammar. You should have idea about the grammar. Once you speak English, then you know very well this sentence is wrong. Okay, nobody can suggest you, no, you are speaking a wrong. You have idea, I speak this sentence wrong, now I have to correct the next time. That means the grammar is important for you. Now we talk about the vocabulary and the idioms and phrases. That step is also give the confidence. When you speak English, advanced structures, with the advanced structures, with the advanced vocabulary, with the advanced phrases, so there's a lot of things you just gain a confidence indirectly. You don't know that is the confidence, that is called confidence, but that is the reality. When you speak any, suppose that if anybody gives you gift, the first word is that thank you so much. पुरानी चाय वाला है, थैंक यू सो मच. सो आप उस समय क्या करोगे, आपका जो मुझे थैंक यू सो मच निकला ना, वो क्या हुआ, वो आराम से कॉन्फिडेंस होकर निकल गया, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ में निकल गया. क्यों निकल गया? क्योंकि आप इस वर्ड के लिए हैबिचुअल हो चुके हो, है ना. सो जब भी आप किसी चीज़ के लिए हैबिचुअल हो जाते हो, तो उसी को हम लोग कॉन्फिडेंस का नाम दे देते हैं. और हैबिचुअल कब होते हैं? जब आप प्रैक्टिस बहुत सारी करते हो. सो कुछ भी नहीं है, प्लीज़ इधर उधर सुनने की जरूरत नहीं है. कौन से पहला, दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा, पाँचवा रूल फॉलो करना है, 10 स्टेप फॉर द इम्प्रूविंग इंग्लिश? नो, everybody just making you fool. You have to collect the confidence only. Once you start the confidence, once you start amassing the confidence, nobody can stop you to speak English. So what do you have to do? The confidence is the path to boost you, to encourage you how to speak English. Okay, and that the example I can relate myself, because once I started teaching in this statement, in this platform, so believe me guys, I was unable to speak English. I don't have a single idea how to teach students. Okay, because I am not too elder. Okay, but once I start, someone just give me a motivation. No, you can do this. So that the lines hit me a lot. Yeah, I can do this. So I start teaching, and that the teaching will give me a confidence. Okay, I don't know how I make you believe you. When I start teaching, I was unable to start, but now just visit in my YouTube, on my YouTube channel. You find a lot of videos how I teach my student. So that all are things is very important for you. Any work, if you start any work, मुझे समझ नहीं आता सारे मतलब गाड़ी वाले और सब्जी वाले कबाड़ी वाले मेरे ही टाइम पे क्यों आते हैं। आने दो, इसको ही बोल देते दो। अबे यार स्टॉप कर देते, टाइम ज़्यादा हो रहा है। सो भूल गई मैं। हाँ, सो बात सिर्फ इतनी थी कि कॉन्फिडेंस पे आपको बात करनी है। आपको पहले कॉन्फिडेंस इकट्ठा करना है। इफ़ यू आर एबल टू amass द कॉन्फिडेंस, so nobody stop you, nobody jerk you, nobody say to you you are able to speak English. So starting a confidence, but please don't forget, with the confidence you have to learn the grammar, you have to focus on grammar, you have to focus on vocabulary, you have to focus the idiom and phrase, and then you try to speak English, and you have to speak more and more. That is a, please forget it, पहला दूसरा तीसरा चौथा पांचवा 10 स्टेप सीख के आप इंग्लिश बोलो, no, that is not a mandatory for you. You have to collect only one state and that's called a confidence. आप बेसिक केवल लर्निंग करो, बेसिक स्पीकिंग करो, बेसिक लिसनिंग करो, बेसिक चीज़ें पढ़ो एंड फिर ट्राई करो स्पीक करने के लिए, आप बोलने लग जाओगे। ठीक है, ये कोई हुआ नहीं है, लैंग्वेज है ऑलरेडी। अरे यार बिल्कुल लैंग्वेज ही है ना, एवरीबडी कैन स्पीक, इफ आई कैन सो यू आर ऑल्सो। So please try to understand, please don't listen here and there. I have to follow 10 step, I have to follow 20 step, I have to follow 21 step. No, only one step you have to follow. Just start the vocabulary portion, you just start the working portion on the vocabulary, and then start the working portion on the grammar. Two segment you have to start from the basic. Gradually you will be able to speak in English. Of course, just follow my this rule. Have a good day, take care, bye bye, take care. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye and take care.